everybody, today in front of me I have Realme GT Neo 3 smartphone, and in today's video we're going to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. First of all, you gotta somehow get to the Wi-Fi settings page. The quickest and easiest way to do exactly that is by swiping down from the top part of your display. At the control center, tap and hold at the Wi-Fi shortcut, just like so. Next, decide what network we would like to share the password of. I'll go with HardReset.Info 5G. In here, tap on the Wi-Fi QR code section, and as you can hear, at the top part of this pop-up window, we have the actual Wi-Fi network password, which is hard reset. So from here, and the QR code basically. So from here, you can either manually find this network and manually enter the password that is pointed out right here, or you can just simply scan the QR code and the other device that you were to share the Wi-Fi password with will automatically connect to it. So in front of me, I have also this Nokia Android smartphone. I'll open up the camera, go to the Google Lens, so I'll be able to actually scan the QR code. I'll frame it, wait until the camera gets this QR code recognized. After that, I want to tap on it. Hold on, let me fix one thing. Alrighty, so once the QR code gets recognized, you can tap on this Join Network button. And as you can see now, our Nokia Android smartphone is being successfully connected to the HardReset.Info 5G network. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.